Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning out this Samsung, of this old Samsung phone my parents had. I like to clean this a few times a year. So today is the day I'm going to be doing it. So let's get started. It just shook. Oh, yeah, you saw that, right? Oh, Samsung. Oh, it's turning on. Okay. Why is it? Okay. At least it still works. So you could just go in. It works. I just like cleaning it out because it's an old phone, and I don't want it to break. So all the apps still work. You can even the camera works. What the? So if I go to camera, it still works. See, it works. So you could see outside. So yeah. That works. So I'm just gonna be cleaning out. First, you need to power it down. So yeah, once you've done that, just unlock it and then open it. This thing. So I just opened it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm just gonna remove the battery, and then remove the SIM card. I recommend doing this at your house, like at home. And you're probably wondering, but Jonah, you're just a kid. I have a lot of experience, so yeah. So what I used for this is 70% alcohol. So I was just swabbing it with it just to clean out any dirt or debris. So I'm gonna just clean out the port. It looks good as new, but I'm gonna charge it just in case. But we should be able to turn it on. So it looks like it is working. So it looks completely fine. It's way cleaner. Oh yeah, swipe up. So you can see it's on its full capability, and I don't know. I've tried playing music with this, but I don't know if it works. Oh, Google Play. I can even show you an app that doesn't even exist anymore. App. Where is it? Google. Oh yeah, Google Plus. It's there. See, if you've never seen Google Plus, the actual app, it's right there. And if you're asking why I have this extra phone, it's because I have this tiny museum in my room, and I like to keep like old things in there and like stuff like that. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys.